Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a quick review on Cramly AI. Now Cramly AI helps you a lot. For example, you don't have to ever draft a paper again because Cramly is the only AI platform that drafts 10-page essays with real citations. That's right, real citations, so you can join for free or sign up. Start cramming with Cramly. It has paragraph drafts, multiple choice cover letter, content inspiration. Google but make it AI. That means get your questions answered like using Google, but it's more efficient with AI. It has AI career center where you receive tips and tricks on how to put together resumes and cover letters with AI. Now the prices are, if you try it, want to cancel, you get a 30-day back guarantee. So you have the annual price, monthly, and the lifetime plan. You can check out the reviews of Grammy. Just take the word for it, see what students have to say about it. So it is loved by over 1 million plus students across the world. Towards stopping you. Give it a try. Now, this AI powered tools are the secret to getting straight A's. Grammy gives you personal model, long essay assistant, paragraph assistant, essay outline, easy paraphraser, and article summarizer, cover letter generation, sentence elongator, and multiple choice solver. If you're ready to unlock your full potential, you can sign up today. What are you waiting for?